My name is Ike Ekwueme, and I would like to share my testimony with you. I was born in Nigeria, I lived in England, and I studied in America. I had to overcome many personal challenges to get to my current destination. One of the biggest challenges I had to overcome was fear. In high school, maths, English, and science were not my strongest courses. I was in the lowest rank, and I used to be literally afraid of exams. I was afraid of the unknown. But one day, I decided to step up. I refused to be satisfied with a low position. I decided to do all it takes to succeed. First of all, I joined a study group. I spent many hours with my teachers after school. I studied hard behind closed doors. I was determined to get an A in my classes, and I did. I graduated from high school with an A in maths, English, and science. Next, I had to overcome fear on the soccer field. From a young age, I was passionate about football, or as some people call it, soccer, and I wanted to play at a higher level, but I was afraid of playing in front of a crowd, and this affected my performance. I knew within myself that I was afraid because I was not confident in my ability and I needed to improve. So I went out training. In the sun, in the rain, the snow wouldn't stop me. Even when my friends were busy, I would go on my own. All this time, I was working hard for something I could not see. Suddenly, an opportunity came for me to play soccer and study in America. On the day of the tryout, I was thinking to myself, is this real? I was slightly nervous, but I knew within myself that this was a great opportunity that doesn't come often. I stepped up to the challenge, I was accepted, and since that day, my life has never been the same. I came to America. I was surrounded by a great team, good friends. I even had a barber on campus. God took care of every detail. I attended a lively church with caring people who pray for me. Also, I have a great family at home who are supporting me every step of the way. I knew all eyes were on me, and I couldn't disappoint them. Since I came to America, every year I noticed an improvement. I was increasing in confidence, maturity, and mental toughness. After my 4 years of playing, I was selected to be in the All-Star team. This was a personal landmark for me because I've never heard my name and All-Star in the same sentence before. Also, I am now a tutor teaching subjects that I was once afraid of. It's also an honor to serve as the president of the entrepreneurial team on campus, and it's also been a privilege to be invited to speak to different groups of people. The bold lion in me has come out.
My encouragement for you today is, take a look at those challenges and goals in your life that look impossible, and start taking steps towards those goals today. In the midst of that so-called impossibility is your opportunity to go to the next level. But you'll never see the next level if you hide away from the opportunity. So my charge for you today is, confront your fears, confront those challenges, because you'll never see what's next until you challenge those things that are in front of you right now. The word impossible is not in my vocabulary, and it shouldn't be in yours too. To me, the word impossible doesn't exist. Look closely at the word. It actually says, I'm possible. That means it's possible. That means you're possible. And I can boldly say, with God, all things are possible.